just want to say we are all gathered here for the sadness that's happening to our community. This is unjust. We need to come together. We're all Minnesotans and we love our neighbors. My friend is here and she wants to read a poem to you, for you guys.
Hello everyone. I came from Bloomington, and I'm here to honor the memory of the fallen, the brave, Alex Ritty and Renee Nicole Good. Their deaths touched me just like anyone else, because they were young, they were protecting their neighbors. We're the same age, you know, millennials, and it's just so unfair how their life was just brutally taken. And so I wrote a poem today, and I put it down, and I wanted to share it with everyone. A poet and a nurse, who could be more peaceful? Yet they braved the streets when peace was under siege. They blew whistles until their lungs gave out, used courage and camera, words and warnings as shields for their neighbors. They did not turn away. Their last actions were brave ones. Their last words were kind ones. They fell not in silence, but in defense. My age mates, millennials whose answer to chaos was care, they died as they lived. Their service and words etched into our hearts and into history.